से रिवाइज कर लीजिए। 2.3 यानी कि किंगडम फंजाई। चलिए, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द डैश डैश constitute a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organisms. The next, they show a great diversity in a dash dash. The next, you must have seen dash dash on a moist bread or rotten fruits. The next, a common dash dash you eat and dash dash are also a fungi. The next, white spots seen on mustard leaves are due to dash dash. The next, some unicellular fungi, example yeast, are used to make bread or dash dash. The next, other fungi causes diseases in plants and animals. Wheat dash dash is an important example. The next, some are the source of dash dash, example penicillin. हाँ यार, penicillium. The next dash dash are cosmopolitan and occur in air, water, soil, and on animals and plants. The next, they prefer to grow in warm and humid places. The next, have you ever wondered why we keep food in the dash dash यानी कि रेफ्रिजरेटर? जी हाँ, why you have wondered why we keep food in the refrigerator? The next, yes, it is to prevent food from going bad. जी हाँ, going bad due to bacterial or dash dash infections. The next, with the exception of yeast, which are unicellular, fungi are dash dash. The next, their bodies consist of long, slender, thread-like structure called dash dash. The next, the network of dash dash is known as mycelium. The next, some hyphae are continuously filled with multinucleated cytoplasm. These are called dash dash hyphae. The next, others have dash dash in their hyphae. The next, the cell walls of fungi are composed of dash dash and dash dash. The next, most fungi are dash dash and absorb soluble organic matter from dead substrate and hence are called saprophytes. The next, those eat or depend on living plants and animals are called parasites. Are you agree with this NCERT line? The next, they can also live as dash dash in association with alga as lichens and with roots of higher plants as mycorrhiza. The next, reproduction in dash dash can take place by vegetative means, fragmentation, fission, and budding. The next, asexual reproduction is by spores called conidia or dash dash, and sexual reproduction is by dash dash, comma dash dash, and basidiospores. The next, the various spores are produced in distinct structure called dash dash bodies. The next, the sexual cycle involves the following 3 steps. Name all the 3 steps. चलिए, the first step, fusion of protoplasm between two dash dash called plasmogamy. चलिए the next fusion of two nuclei called dash dash. Meiosis in zygote resulting in dash dash spores. The next, when a fungus reproduces sexually, two haploid hyphae of compatible mating types count together and dash dash. The next, in some fungi, the fusion of two haploid cells immediately results in dash dash. The next, however, in other fungi, that is Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, an intervening dash dash, that is n plus n, that is two nuclei per cell occurs. Such a condition is called a dikaryon, and a phase is called a dash dash of fungus. इस लाइन में एक एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड है एनसीईआरटी के अलावा, तो उस एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड को भी बताइए, वो कौन सा एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड है। चलिए द नेक्स्ट, लेटर द पेरेंटल न्यूक्लियाई फ्यूज एंड द सेल्स बिकम डिप्लॉयड. The fungus form fruiting bodies in which dash dash occurs, leading to formation of haploid spores. The next, the dash dash of mycelium mode of spores formation and fruiting bodies form the basis for division of the kingdom into various classes. These are 2.3.1, that is Phycomycetes, 2.3.2 Ascomycetes, 2.3.3 Basidiomycetes, 2.3.4 Deuteromycetes. तो जल्दी से रिवाइज कीजिए 2.3.1 फाइकोमाइसेटिस को. चलिए द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मेंबर्स ऑफ फाइकोमाइसेटिस आर फाउंड इन डैश डैश and on decaying wood in moist and damp places, or as obligate parasites on plants. The next, the mycelium is aseptate and dash dash. The next, asexual reproduction takes place by spores, that is motile, or a dash dash, that is non-motile. The next, these spores are endogenously produced in dash dash. The next, a zygospore is formed by fusion of two gametes. These gametes are similar in a dash dash, that is isogamous, or dissimilar, that is angiogamous और oogamous. इस लाइन में जो अभी हम बोले हैं, इसमें कौन सा वर्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू एनसीईआरटी सही नहीं था, जो कि सुनने में सिमिलर था लेकिन एक्चुअल में सही नहीं था। चलिए द नेक्स्ट, सम कॉमन एग्जांपल्स आर डैश डैश, फिगर 2.5a, Rhizopus, the dash dash mold mentioned earlier, and dash dash, the parasitic fungi on mustard. माइंड कैप्चर कीजिए फिगर 2.5 फंजाई का, ए म्यूकर, बी एस्परजिलस, सी एगेरिकस. चलिए आंख बंद कीजिए, क्या आपको म्यूकर दिख रहा है? नेक्स्ट एस्परजिलस, नेक्स्ट एगेरिकस. चलिए रिवाइज कीजिए 2.3.2 एस्कोमाइसिटिस. First question, commonly known as dash dash, the Ascomycetes are mostly multicellular. Example, Penicillium, or rarely unicellular. Example, yeast, that is dash dash. The next, they are dash dash, dash dash, parasitic or coprophilous, that is growing on dash dash. चलिए द नेक्स्ट, dash dash is branched and septate. The next, the asexual spores are dash dash produced exogenously on the special mycelium called dash dash. The next, conidia on germination produce dash dash. The next, sexual spores are called dash dash which are produced endogenously in sac like dash dash. Single, जी हाँ singular ascus. The next, these asci are arranged in different type of dash dash called ascocarps. Yes, ascocarps. The next, some examples are aspergillus figure 2.5b. Mind capture कीजिए. The next, some examples are aspergillus figure 2.5b, claviceps and neurospora. Neurospora is used dash dash in biochemical and genetic work. The next, many members like dash dash and dash dash are edible and are considered delicacies. चलिए the next 2.3.3. चलिए the next, commonly known forms of dash dash are mushrooms, bracted fungi or dash dash. The next, चलिए the next, they grow in soil. Again the next, they grow in soil on logs and trees dash dash and in living plant bodies as parasites, example dash dash and dash dash. The next, the mycelium is dash dash and dash dash. The next, the asexual spores are generally not found, but dash dash by fragmentation is common. The next, the sex organs are absent, but dash dash is brought about by fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells of different strains or genotypes. The next, the resultant structure is dash dash, which ultimately gives rise to basidium. The next, dash dash and meiosis takes place in dash dash producing 4 basidiospores. The next, the basidiospores are dash dash produced on basidium plural basidia. The next, the basidia are arranged in dash dash called basidiocarps. Some common members are dash dash, example 2.5 C. जल्दी से माइंड कैप्चर कीजिए. Eustilago, that is dash dash, and dash dash, that is rust fungus. The next 2.3.4 Deuteromycetes. चलिए the first question. Commonly known as imperfect fungi because only the dash dash or dash dash phases of these fungi are known. The next, when the sexual form of these fungi were discovered, they were moved into dash dash they rightly belong to. The next, it is also possible that dash dash and dash dash stage have been given one name and placed under Deuteromycetes, and the dash dash stage another and placed under another class. The next, later, when the linkage were established, the fungi were correctly identified and moved out of dash dash. The next, once perfect, that is sexual stage of member of dash dash were discovered, they were often moved to Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Then next, the dash dash reproduce only by asexual spores known as conidia. The mycelium is septate and dash dash. The next, some members of saprophytes or dash dash, while a large number of them are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling. Some examples are dash dash, comma dash dash and dash dash. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते हैं तो इस डिस्कशन सीरीज से आपको कोई फ़ायदा नहीं पड़े।